In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate an API token in Hostinger. If you need to replace an old token, improve security, or simply create a fresh one for a connection or integration, this process is very straightforward. Just make sure you're logged into the correct Hostinger account before you begin, because API tokens are tied to your account and can affect any tools or services currently using them. Start by opening your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded, so you can easily navigate through the account settings and tools available to you. The API section is usually where you manage access for external apps, scripts, or services that connect to your Hostinger account. From there, click on the API area. This is where you'll be able to view your current API token settings and manage them. If you already have an active token, you should see the option to regenerate it nearby. Regenerating a token is useful when you want to stop using the previous one and issue a new secure token instead. Next, click Regenerate next to the API token. After that, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger may ask you to confirm the action, and this is an important moment to pay attention, because once the token is regenerated, the old one may no longer work for any integrations that were using it. If you have apps or automations connected, you may need to update them with the new token right away to avoid interruptions. When the new token appears, copy the code carefully and save it in a secure place. This is very important because, for security reasons, platforms often only show the full token once. A password manager or another secure storage method is usually the safest option. Avoid pasting it into unsecured notes or sharing it casually, especially if it gives access to important account features. Once you've copied and stored the new API token, you're done. At that point, you can use the updated token wherever it's needed, whether that's in an application, a service connection, or a custom setup that relies on Hostinger's API access. That's how to regenerate an API token in Hostinger. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, save the new token securely, and make sure to update any connected tools so everything continues working smoothly.